So this is a content writing tutorial on how to write blog posts that would rank. Visit Google Trends in case you're not sure what to blog about. Now this page is set up to search for the whole world what they are searching for, but you can go here to choose marketing. You just put it in here and then click on explore. So I've chosen to have this search for United States of America and affiliate marketing, and here you see interest over time. It's pretty interesting, but if you feel like maybe this is when it comes to keywords that is too high of a competition, you can always compare with other search terms. And here you see different areas in the United States and the popularity. Mississippi ranks number 1, Utah number 2, Florida number 3, and so on. And related topics, you can search here for other keywords, maybe topics that people are searching for: how to start affiliate marketing with no money, virtual assistants jobs, make money online, and so on. Pinterest affiliate. Put in another search term, maybe search and make money on. You also have to do a keyword research. Make money online might be too high of a competition to use, but anyway, you can play around with this and add other search terms. Here you see other Fiverr and stuff. But anyway, let's now go to my blog to continue how to rank your posts. Here is one of my blog posts where I write about WordPress and how to set up a WordPress blog correctly and so on. And I'm going to talk about the tags you need to add to make your content rank in the search results. The tags you need to include your keywords with is H2, H3, bold text, and italic or italic. And to mark it with a tag, you just mark the words you want to be adding and then choose, for instance, H2. Here I mark the section with WordPress, the word WordPress, and this you see the sign for a headline, and this is H2. So that's how you do. You just mark the keywords and then you choose what you want to have. Now, talking about the length of your blog post, try to write at least 1,000 words. Now, when it comes to images, you need to have images, and when people go to image search on Google, they might find your image and click on it, and that way you might get some commissions made, or at least traffic. So every time you upload a image post in the alt settings of the image, like I'm gonna click it on it now to show you. When you mark your image and then you see alt text, like you see here, my keyword WordPress, you need to enter it there, but it's also good to enter as a title of the image. To do that with every image you create, and then you can get some more traffic on this section. Yeah, and you also story for your posts, for instance, if it's a tutorial, and then tags. Those are like also other tags that has to do with your that is connect, have tags here, WordPress review, WordPress website, and so on. And there you have it. Now, links and backlinks, outgoing links, and links to your own content is very important. So go to Google and put in your keyword, and If it's a competitor, you might want to add the link as a no-follow link. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to mark a word here and then I'm going to add a link. Then I just click here on the link symbol. And then you put in the URL for that site you want to link to. If it's not a competitor, you can just click on this, open in a new tab. Otherwise, you click on this, add no follow to link, and then you just click on that. What happens is when it's a no follow link, it means that you don't benefit the site you link to. You don't help them to rank higher, but you will benefit from that link. You should also link to your own content, your older blog posts, because this will also help the ranking of your content on your blog. Now it comes to keywords. Don't put in your keywords way too much, because then your Google might punish you for that. And then they will see the content you write as a not important or like that. So don't put it in too much. Maybe at most keyword density at 4 to 5%. Okay, so this is my advice how to rank your blog content really well in the search engines. Would you be interested in hosting for your blog and get a domain free for 1 year and also get a page builder and get your blog set up within minutes? If so, then click the link below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.